So now we're moving to the next part, which is how to add a new theme to your dashboard. So previously we've discussed about how you can change the appearance of your website by changing the theme. For instance, we previously used the 2019 and the 2020 theme. So now what if we want to add a theme that is quite different from the one that is already installed on our website? So if you want to do that, all you have to do is you move your mouse cursor to the add new button, and you click on add new. So when you click on add new, there are actually two ways that you can add a new theme to your website. So it's either you install a new theme from the WordPress.org repository themes, or you download the theme and you upload it manually. So we are going to take a look at the two methods and see how we can make use of it. So below are some examples of themes that are actually loaded from the WordPress.org server repository. So here I have the first one is I have the 2020 theme, I have the 2021 theme, and if you check the header of this icon here, you can see it's installed. So installed means that I already have the theme installed on my website. And the third one is Astra. So since there is no install here, that means that I do not have the theme yet on my website. So the beautiful thing about this thing is that even before installing a new theme on your website, you can preview it to see how it's going to look. So let's say I want to let me navigate to another theme, and there are actually a lot of themes that you can use. You have about 4,583 popular themes that you can choose from, even though the numbers are quite bigger than that. But when we are talking about the popular ones, we have about 4,583. So let's say I want to I'm trying to find a theme that I can just use as an example. So let's say I want to okay, so let's take a look at this STR. So let's say I want to I actually like the look of this STR theme, and I want to make use of it. So before I install it on my website, I can just click on details and preview. So when you click on details and preview, you can see how it's going to actually look like on your website. And if you like how it's going to look like, you can install it. So when you click on install, it's going to install the theme on your website. So when you are done with the installation, you can now click on activate, and it's going to activate on your website. So we have the 2020 theme here, we have the 2019 theme here. So now we want to install the STR theme and see how it's going to actually look on our website. Okay, so now I have the STR theme installed on my website, and I can now click on activate. So installation is actually different from activation. So by installing a new theme on your website, that means you've added the theme, you've installed the theme to your website, but it is not yet activated. That is, it is not currently in use on your website. So for instance, if I should visit my website right now, I'm going to see the 2020 theme, which is the previous theme that I activate on my website. So now if I want to change to this STR theme, all I have to do is you click on activate, and there are two ways that you can actually see the new theme that is installed. You can either activate directly from this screen here, or you move your cursor to the themes the theme section. So from the theme section, you are going to see all of the themes that you have installed on your website. So previously we have the 2019, we have the 2020, we have the Hello Elementor theme, and we now have the STR. So let's say I want to change from the 2020 theme to the STR theme. So all I have to do is click on activate. So when I click on activate, it's going to change my website appearance from 2020 to STR theme, which is the new theme that I just installed on my website. So let's see how it's going to look on my website. So now it's a new theme activated. So that means I now have a STR theme activated on my website. So let's see how it's going to look on my website. So all I have to do is I refresh this page. So after I refresh, it's going to change the whole appearance of how it's going to look like. So as you can see, these are the new themes look like. So I have the my website title by the top left corner. I have the add menu because I have not assigned a menu yet, so that's why it's changed this from an admin point of view. I have the website description here, which is official WordPress laboratory for Tuam, and I have the post title, the post category, and the likes from here. So as you can see, the STR theme is how the appearance of the STR theme looks like is different from how the default WordPress 2019 looks like, and it's different from how the WordPress 2020 looks like. So this is how a new theme changes the appearance of your website. So that's how to automatically change the theme of your WordPress website. So in the next episode, we are going to take a look at how to manually change the appearance of your website, how to manually upload a theme. So because right now we've done the automatic method, so now we are going to take a look at the manual method.